Hello everyone, welcome to Accessible World Tutorials. My name is Raviteja. Hello friends, how are you? Hope you're doing good. Friends, I'm so happy to inform you that we are starting a new series on web accessibility testing in our YouTube channel. So welcome to Accessible World Tutorials. If you're not subscribed our channel as of now, just pause this video and click the subscribe button, and please share this video with your friends and other visually impaired communities. So accessibility testing videos are very helpful. So here I am going to cover all the topics related to accessibility testing. As a first topic, today we will discuss about what is accessibility testing, why we need to do accessibility testing, to whom we are performing accessibility testing, what are the methods available to perform accessibility testing. So as an introduction section, we will talk about these four points, and in upcoming topics we will go into discuss about each and every point of accessibility testing with practicals and theoretical. Okay, so don't forget to click the like button, because if you click the like button, I will get energy to create more videos on this topic. So if you are having any doubts related to my topic, you can call me or WhatsApp me on my mobile number 7731 879173 7731 879173. So let's move to our first topic, accessibility introduction, accessibility testing introduction. Okay.
Left parent, what is accessibility testing question?
Friends, as a first topic, we will discuss about what is accessibility testing. So accessibility testing is a type of software testing that ensures digital products like websites, mobile applications, softwares, okay, or any tools, the digital content need to be accessible for uh, for people with disabilities. Okay, so it means they should be able to use the applications without any limitations. Okay, which applications? The digital products need to be accessible by people with disabilities, okay, without any limitations. Okay, for example, if you are filling any form, okay, it means if the form is not accessible for you, so you need to depend on someone. It means the form is not accessible for you. Okay, if you are depending on someone to fill something, it means that is not accessible for you. Okay, for example, if you are unable to click on the something on your website, okay, if for example if you are unable to read the capture code, it means the capture code section is not accessible for you. Okay, this is called accessibility testing. Okay, accessibility testing means as a accessibility tester, we should be ensure the website, mobile application, software are accessible by people with disabilities. Okay, so this is called accessibility testing. Okay, further we will discuss very clearly. We will discuss about WCAG guidelines. WCAG means Web Content Accessibility Guidelines. It contains four principles: perceivable, operable, understandable, and robust. Okay, in our upcoming topics, we will discuss about this later. Okay, so don't miss our videos. Please click on the subscribe button and right swipe, select all options from the option menu. Then only you will not miss our upcoming topics. Okay, I'm going to the next slide.
Slideshow dash, slide 2 left parent, who needs accessibility question right parent?
Who needs accessibility testing? Okay, who needs accessibility testing? Okay, friends, in our world population, 15 percentage of the population are suffering with various disabilities. Okay, I no need to explain all the disabilities already. You might know the disabilities. Okay, so what are the disabilities you know? So I will tell few disabilities. One is visual impairment. Okay, visual impairment means blind users. Okay, so the blind users and visually impaired users will depend on screen readers. Okay, to operate the computer, to operate the digital content, the visually impaired users will depend on screen readers. Okay, so the website application need to be accessible for screen reader users. Also, there are low vision users, okay, who will depends on magnifiers. Okay, and there are some hearing impaired deaf users, deaf and dumb users are there. Okay, for them, the captions, transcripts need to be provided in the websites and videos. Okay, and uh, and the motor impaired users means who are having limited hand movement, okay, hand and leg movement. Okay, so for them everything need to be accessible with keyboard. Okay, they might not be able to use the mouse. Okay, so there are many types of disabilities like cognitive disabled users. Okay, so for them the website need to be easily, they should be able to navigate. Okay, there should be no confusion in the websites. Okay, and then reading disability people will be there. Okay, okay, so they cannot read the content properly on the websites. Okay, and for them we need to provide easy English. Okay, complex words we should not use in our content. Okay, so math disabled people are there. Okay, for them we need to provide, we should not use much math content in our websites for like calculations and all. Okay, like that many disabled people are there. Okay, for them we need to make the websites accessible. Okay, okay, I'm moving to the next slide.
Why accessibility matters question. Bullet legal
Why accessibility matters? Okay, why we need to perform accessibility testing? If you not provide the if you know, if the website or mobile application is not accessible, what will happen? Okay, simple friends. One is legal compliance. Legal compliance means many countries has their own laws. Okay, for example, US has American with Disability Act. Okay, as per their act, the products, the digital products need to be accessible, equal access. They need to equal access need to be provided. Means that should be accessible for all the persons with disabilities and without disabilities. Okay, and as per section 508, the government websites need to be accessible. Okay, like that many countries has their own laws. Okay, as per the law the website need to be accessible. Not only that, friends, mainly business. Okay, just imagine if the website is not accessible, how many users will visit the website. For example, in India most of people will do shopping in Amazon and Flipkart. Okay, mostly I'm talking about persons with visual impaired screen reader users. Okay, mostly I will prefer Amazon and Flipkart. I will not prefer Mintra, firstcry.com, even though they will provide good offers, but the website is not that much easy like Amazon, Flipkart. Okay, so even if I interested to book pizza. Okay, so I cannot use the pizza websites because the pizza some websites are not accessible. Okay, and some people are interested to fly. Okay, so they will use generally the accessible applications to book the flights. They cannot use all the websites because the business will go down. If the website or application is not accessible, the business will go down. So that's the reason the websites and mobile applications need to be accessible. Okay, not only legal compliance, as per business also, the websites and applications need to be accessible.
types of accessibility testing bullet manual testing colon.
Types of accessibility testing. Okay, what are the types are involved in accessibility testing? Okay,
Bullet keyboard navigation colon. Enjoy multi bullet screen reader testing colon.
screen reader testing. Okay, screen reader testing is very important during accessibility testing because most of visual impaired users will depends on screen readers. Okay, so the complete websites need to be accessible with screen reader. So screen reader testing is very important. That we will learn later, like how to perform screen reader testing.
Bullet keyboard navigation colon. Enjoy
Keyboard navigation also very important. We need to navigate from top to bottom using keyboard because motor impaired users will not be able to use the mouse key. Mostly they will depends on keyboard.
bullet color contrast testing colon.
Color contrast testing is very important during accessibility testing because if the color contrast is not up to the mark, many people will not be able to distinguish between the background and foreground.
Bullet check mark button automated testing colon.
Automation testing also very important. Okay, automation testing, if you are want to run the code quickly, so we need to perform automation testing. For that, we will use the different types of tools like Axe, Wave, many tools.
Bullet, bullet, wave, left parent. Bullet, bullet, X, bullet, bullet, lighthouse, left parent.
Lighthouse by Google, Axe by Tech University. Okay, and Wave is a tool. Okay, so these are all the methods to perform accessibility testing. Okay, later on we will discuss clearly about WCAG, the four principles, and WCAG overview and all. So, friends, I'm repeating. Please click on the like button if you really like this video, and please don't forget to share this video in our visually impaired community groups. Okay, thanks for watching my video till the end. We will see you very quickly in our next topic of WCAG overview. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Screen sharing meeting control row 1 column 2 5. Screen